Josh. I work for a company called Multevo. What we're going to demonstrate for you today is our latest innovation. So we've demonstrated the grass, the de-icer, the grass cutter, the floodwater pump. We've planed out and swept a patch, and then we've demonstrated the paver attachment, and then we've reinstated. So and we've all done that through a dual fuel hydrogen machine. If you imagine the efficiency savings from using one bit of kit for several jobs, but then also think about the kit it's replacing. And as I say, we supply the kit for you to do the job, or we do the job ourselves. So thanks for witnessing a few attachments at work. Thank you.